Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you unable to access a Google product like Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix unable to access a Google product. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try loading another website to check if your internet is working. If it's slow or disconnected, restart your modem or connect to a different network. If your internet is fine, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Then click Delete Browsing Data. Then select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Click Delete Data and restart your browser. Sometimes browser issues can cause access problems. Try opening the Google product in another browser or device to see if the problem persists. Google services may be down temporarily. Check the Google Workspace status dashboard by searching Google Status Dashboard on your browser. If there's an outage, you may need to wait until Google resolves it. Browser extensions or VPNs can sometimes block access to Google services. Try disabling them and refreshing the page to see if it works. If you are still having trouble, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and fix login related issues. If you receive a message about account issues, try resetting your password at accounts.google.com and follow the instructions to regain access. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.